Adding a y-axis label to secondary y-axis in Matplotlib. I can add a y label to the left y-axis using plt.aLabel, but how can I add it to the secondary y-axis?
The best way is to interact with the axis object directly. I don't have access to Python right now, but off the top of my head,
There is a straightforward solution without messing with Matplotlib, just pandas. Tweaking the original example. Basically, when the secondary _y equals true option is given, even though ax equals ax is passed to, pandas.plot returns a different axis, which we use to set the labels. I know this was answered long ago, but I think this approach worths it.
For everyone stumbling upon this post because pandas gets mentioned, you now have the very elegant and straightforward option of directly accessing the secondary _y axis in pandas with ax.right_x. So paraphrasing the example initially posted, you would write, this is already mentioned in these posts as well, 1, 2.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.